Sameach, everybody. Short idea expressed by Rav Zevin. We have a famous machlokes between Beit Shammai and Beis Hillel. Actually, me and Eli, we learned it today. Whether Mosif Olech, Pochot Olech. According to Beit Shammai, we light 8 candles on the first day, and every night we subtract 1 candle. According to Beis Hillel, Mosif Olech, every night we add a candle. Says Rav Zevin, there are actually 2 qualities to a flame. A flame has 2 qualities. One, fire burns, devours. And the second quality is that a flame gives off light, lights up. On Hanukkah, what we're trying to do is to add good to the world. In order to add good, we have to take away from the bad. It says Rav Zevin, Beit Shammai is focusing on the quality of the flame, the quality of the fire that devours. It says Beit Shammai the first night, there is so much bad that one has to devour, so much bad in the world that one has to take away. So what does one do? He lights 8 candles to hit the bad, to devour it, to get rid of it. Baruch Hashem, he sees success in what he's doing. And on the second day of Hanukkah, the world is left with a less amount of Ra. Therefore, it is enough for him to light 7 flames, 7 fires, to devour the Ra that's left. There's less Ra left. 7 candles will do the job. On the 3rd night of Hanukkah, there's even less Ra, and therefore you can drop 1 candle and do away with one of those candles because there's even less Ra in the world. Beis Hillel has a totally different approach. This Zevin. Beis Hillel's approach is ignore the bad. Ignore the bad in this world. Sometimes if we focus on the bad, sometimes we focus on the bad that's within us, we get depressed, we get fed up, and we despair. If we focus on the bad, sometimes we're crippled and we can't do anything. Says Beis Hillel, according to Rav Zevin, ignore the bad. Your job is to light that flame and to give off the light of good. Forget the sur mira, asay tov. Do good. It's hard to do good. In order to do good on Hanukkah, we sometimes have to do a little bit of tshuva and change our ways from what we've been doing till then. Okay. Start with 1 candle. Do a bit of good, a little bit of good. Baruch Hashem, we've seen success in what we did that first night of Hanukkah. It was the second night. And we're enthusiastic. We have more koach. And we're able to do even more good. And we light a 2nd candle. And the more good that we do, it brings about, it generates more and more kochos, more and more good. On the 8th night of Hanukkah, we finish off with 8 candles. And that is the light that we take with us from Hanukkah to the rest of the year. Every night we add more and more good, just totally ignoring the bad that's out there. And if we succeed in doing good and lighting up our lights, we'll notice that all the choshech will disappear, all the darkness will disappear, and all we'll be left with is only the tov that we've succeeded in accumulating over Hanukkah, Yehi Ratzon. We shall all be zochet to grow during Hanukkah. Mitzvah Hashem, we'll see all the Talmidim back in Yeshiva, B'Karav Mamish. Everyone should have a Freilich Hanukkah, Hanukkah Sameach.